I'm here today with the Babolat Pro Tour 2.0, and this is like an eco-friendly packaging here, all cardboard, which is quite nice, just a little bit of plastic in the middle there so you can see what you're actually buying. This one is the Comfort one, and I think that's quite the range they're going for. It isn't that tacky, so it's not too grippy if you don't like that, but it's very, very durable. It's a little bit more of a middle ground of a grip tape, so it's not overly tacky, it's not too loose, so a very nice middle ground here. I like mine a little bit more tacky, if I'm honest, so I'd use this more as like a base layer, then add something on top there. So as a base layer, if you like a little bit of a thicker handle, this could be a great option. It's very durable, dependable. I think this Babolat Cord 2.0 is a dependable comfort grip. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.